Thank you for joining us today at Brookmore Capital, and congratulations for creating your first mobile app. We are going to briefly walk you through on how you can modify your custom app features through the App Management Portal. Now we've got a lot to get through, so let's get started. When you log in for the first time, you will see your main menu across the top and to the right. Here is where you will access your dashboard, push messages, app analytics, your help desk, and your QR code. Let's begin in your dashboard. When you click on Dashboard, click on the green Start Here button to enter your dashboard. Once in your dashboard, you will see 5 tabs across the top of your screen just below your main menu. The Functionality tab allows you to customize your app tabs. Content allows you to update the content in your app tabs, and Appearance allows you to customize the appearance of your app. Once you have completed customizing your app, you can preview your app in the Preview tab, where you can afterwards make any additional changes to your liking. You will spend most of your time in the first 3 tabs customizing your new mobile app. As your app is already created and listed in the App Store, we won't spend time in the Publish section at this time. So, let's begin with the Functionality tab. Here's where we will add or modify the tabs for your mobile app that a user will tap on to navigate through your app. Your current list of tabs has already been created for you. You can now delete these tabs if you do not wish to make use of them, or you can edit them to customize the tabs to your liking. Let's make note of the first 3 tabs in this list: Home, Website, and Blog. Now, we will quickly jump to the Preview tab and preview your mobile app so you can get a sense of just exactly where the tabs would be located. The mobile device preview on the right represents a preview of your app if it were accessed via the mobile device's browser. The mobile device preview on the left represents a native mobile app preview, such as on an iPhone or iPad. Simply click on the arrow in the center of the mobile preview to activate the preview. You can see along the bottom a row of tabs which identically matches the first 3 items under the Functionality tab: the Home tab, the Website tab, and the Blog tab. If you have created more than 5 tabs, you will automatically be shown a More tab, which, when tapped by the user, will be shown the remainder of the tabs for which you have activated. Now let's get back to customizing your tabs. First, any existing tabs can be deleted by hitting the Delete button, or you can edit an existing tab by simply clicking on the Edit button. When you hit the Edit button, another window will pop up and give you the options to change the tab title and icon. You can also activate or deactivate the tab simply by checking or unchecking the Active Tab box. Once you have completed making your changes, click on the Save Changes button. Adding a new tab is as simple as clicking on the Add New Tab button, typing in your tab title, and selecting the function of this tab by clicking on the Tab Function drop-down box. There are numerous tab functions available for you to choose from. And finally, select an icon for this tab and click Save Changes to add your new tab. Reordering the tabs is as simple as left-clicking and holding the 4-arrow icon to the left of the tab name and dragging up or down until you are happy with the new location, and then releasing your mouse button. The new tab location will now be updated in your tab list. Once you have customized all the tabs in your mobile app, it's now time to move on to the Content tab and customizing the content of your tabs. Clicking on the Content tab will bring you to the Content section. All of the tabs listed under the Functionality tab will now be listed just below the 5 tabs. Starting with the Home tab, it's here where you can modify the background image for the app. You can also update your business details for each location you have, which is required for use with a few custom features. For instance, along the top, you will see 3 checkboxes labeled Call Button, Direction Button, and Tell Friend Button. If you were to check the Call Button checkbox, for instance, a button will be displayed in your app, which when pressed by the user, will automatically dial your store location, which is entered in your business details section labeled Telephone for Dial. Once you have updated your Home tab, click on the Save Preferences button. Now let's take a look at the Website button. Here is where you will enter your website for the user to browse to within your app. Either select the Edit button to update your website information, or click on the Add Web View button to add a new website location. Each tab you create will have different information needing to be customized to make the tab function to your liking. The Services tab allows you to show the user what services you offer. Here, you can group your services by sections and then enter your services with a description of each service and whether it is active or not. You can also add an image that will be displayed as an icon next to your service. For the most part, all of the tabs function identically to what we have already shown you, only that the information you provide is specific for the tab you are customizing, with a couple of differences. For example, the Appointment tab allows you to set up the ability to schedule appointments for your business directly within the mobile app. Simply create a service for an appointment that you would like to make available to your users by filling in the service name, description, price, duration, and then clicking Save Changes. Then edit your service's available times, locations, and payment options. We will view how this functions when we preview your mobile app at the end. Once you have gone through all of your tabs and customized them to suit your business needs, we move on to the Appearance tab. Here is where you can change the colors, button types, and background of your mobile app. There are several items available for you to change colors. We can start by changing the color theme, where you can then change the color of individual items to more suit your specific needs. For example, you can change the navigation bar's color by simply clicking on the color box currently representing the color of the navigation bar, and then changing the desired color either by typing in the color value or sliding the color swatches and previewing the live update on the mobile device. Once you have selected your preferred color, simply click anywhere outside the color box to exit the color window. Continue changing the colors for the rest of the items to your liking. Once completed, click on the Save Color Settings button to save your changes. Clicking on the button menu item will take you to the Button Choices window, allowing you to select the style and color of the 3 buttons, the Call button, the Direction button, and the Tell Friend button you activated in the Content section of the Home tab that will show on the home screen. Or you can simply upload your own button type here as well. And finally, clicking on the More section will allow you to upload a background image to display when your screen is not totally filled with information. Selecting the Background Images tab will allow you to customize the background of either your mobile device or iPad. Simply select an image from the library and click on the Select from Image Library button, or upload your own background image by browsing for an image and then selecting the Upload an Image button. Now that you have customized your mobile app to your liking, let's take a look at a preview of your changes by clicking the Preview tab. Here is where you can view all of your changes thus far and make sure that everything is working accordingly. You can see the 3 buttons we activated in the Content section during the completion of your business info, allowing users to call you simply by tapping on the Call Us button, or get directions to your store using the business address you provided, and telling a friend about your most excellent app. It's here where you can test your appointment scheduling function as well. Based on the setting you selected, the user would now be able to schedule an appointment right from your mobile app as well as pay for the scheduled appointment if you turn that feature on. Once you are happy with your changes, you are done. Your changes are now live for everyone to view. The next item on the main menu is the Messages item. It's here where you can send out push notifications, which will show up on your app user screen. Simply select whether you want to send the message now or at a specific time and date. Enter your message in the message box and then preview the pop-up message to the right. When you are happy with what you see, click on the Send button to send it immediately or when scheduled as per your scheduled time and date. The Analytic main menu item will show you how many times your app was downloaded and accessed via the mobile website. The top portion of the Analytics box shows you a nice graphic representation of your stats, while you can view the actual numbers below the graph. Changing the time frame of the graph is as easy as clicking on the past week, past 2 weeks, or past month buttons. And the last item we will take you through is the QR code menu item. It is here where you can download a PDF version of these QR codes depending on which mobile device you want to utilize, and have these codes printed on your advertising print media. Mobile device users are then able to download your app simply by taking a picture of your QR code with their mobile device. Select either the Android icon, the Apple icon, or the HTML5 icon to have the system generate the QR code for you and make it ready for download. Save the PDF file to your desktop, incorporate it into your print media, and sit back and watch as your mobile app gets downloaded more frequently. Thank you for watching this quick overview of creating your first mobile app. If you wish to know more about creating mobile apps, please visit www.brookmoremobileapps.com for more information. Enjoy your new mobile app.